The initial startup of the naked system. Please refer to the installation setup guide provided with the unit to ensure the pool water is balanced before starting the system. Programming the naked system is completed in 6 simple steps using the controls which are located in the center of the control unit keypad. Press plus to increase the setting and minus to decrease the setting. OK is used to enter, save or next, and the left-hand arrow key is for back or to exit. Step 1. Set the clock's time of day. Step 2. Choose if you added salt or minerals. Step 3. Choose whether there is existing copper in the pool. For all new installs, select minus for no. Step 4. Set the pool size in litres. The volume of water in the pool determines the runtimes of the system for both the initial startup, the injection of copper, and automatically sets the pump runtimes on a daily basis. Step 5. Is the pool outdoor or indoor? When selecting yes for indoor pools during startup, the unit will automatically reduce the oxy output to 50% to avoid chlorine levels increasing. Once the startup process is complete, the oxy output will automatically default back to 100%. We suggest reducing oxy output ongoing for indoor pools, however this will depend on the usage of the pool. And lastly, step 6. Choose the variable or single speed pump. As variable speed pumps need longer runtimes, this screen allows you to adjust timer 2 to extend runtimes, ensuring adequate circulation. The initial startup is now complete, and the system will run for a given period of time based on the pool size and then switch to auto mode when the dual timer is set accordingly.